Every successful political campaign is built on consistent, reliable voter contact. And in 2026, text messaging is one of the most direct ways to connect with voters. But not all texting platforms are built the same, and picking the wrong one can cost you time, money, and votes. Here's what to look for and which 5 platforms are worth considering for political SMS campaigns. First, make sure that the platform supports both broadcast and peer-to-peer texting. These are 2 very different features, and you'll likely need both. You'll also want to compare deliverability, reporting, segmentation, and automation, and ensure the platform offers link tracking for donations and events. Now let's look at the top 5 political text messaging services for 2026. Starting with SlickText. It's one of the only platforms on this list that supports both broadcast SMS and peer-to-peer texting, making it a full texting solution for Republican, Democratic, third-party, and independent campaigns alike. You can send mass text to opted-in supporters while also managing one-on-one voter conversations from the same platform. It allows unlimited users, automatically routes incoming messages to the right responder, and keeps everything organized with tags and statuses, making it ideal for teams that need both scale and structure. Next is Impactive, which also combines broadcast and peer-to-peer texting within a broader digital organizing ecosystem. One important thing to note is that Impactive was purchased by ActBlue in 2025. ActBlue is a fundraising platform and registered political action committee built specifically for Democratic candidates, progressive organizations, and nonprofits, so keep that in mind when considering this option. The remaining 3 platforms, RumbleUp, GetThru, and Hustle, specialize exclusively in peer-to-peer texting. RumbleUp is a peer-to-peer platform with strong delivery rates and responsive support. It's open to campaigns across the spectrum but has deep roots with Republican organizations. GetThru is built for reliability and scale, making it a strong fit for nonprofits, unions, and advocacy groups that need consistent performance during critical GOTV moments. Hustle has been a grassroots organizing staple since 2016. It works exclusively with Democratic campaigns and left-leaning organizations and includes tools like Hustle Studio for sending short-form video content through text. The campaign texting platform you choose will directly affect your deliverability, compliance, reporting, and your ability to scale as your campaign grows. This choice could be the difference between you winning and losing an election. If you need a complete texting solution that handles both mass messaging and real voter conversations, visit slicktext.com to learn more and start your free trial today.